everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a robot that I've created for language detection and translation. This is available on Automation Anywhere BotStore. I'll quickly take you through the code. On the in the start, you've got some comments about what the task is. It creates some directory on its own on the computer, and this is an API key variable. This is very important because we're going to use IBM's Watson Language Translator. So this is a page, this is a link I will put in the description. You can use this, get started, get your API key for free. And once you have your API keys, you can just plug it in here in the code. This code is essentially a plug and play. So any use case or any task that you're automating where you need to detect the language, get a word count or get a character count, and even translate. You can use this code. This deals with, or this can work with about 70 different languages. I have a language reference sheet which I'm going to include on the bot store. So this has about 70 different languages along with the code which can be used uh, on this bot. So on this particular code, I've coded two different examples. The first one is where you take an input from a human as a prompt, and that prompt gets through the Watson API, the language is detected, and then the translation happens. So I have put a message box wherever we need to see the output, but you can delete or disable them. The second use case is where I have a list created in different languages, basically stating this is a test, and this bot will read the data from the Excel, detect the language, put it on that Excel sheet, the detected language it'll put on the Excel sheet, and also the translated string. So we'll see all of that in this video. So let me quickly give this a run. Right, so the bot is asking for a string which it can detect and translate. So I'm gonna just put something in Spanish. This basically means this is a test. I'll hit OK. So the language detected is Spanish. Now the bot runs an API, and if you can see, the translation is this is test, which is great, but it also has word count and character count. You can use that out using string operation or JSON parser and take it into a variable. For this example, we're only interested in the translation, so we'll click OK, and here's the translated text. Okay, now it will move ahead and we'll look into the Excel part, the second example. If you see, it opens up the Excel. On column B, it's putting in the language that is detected, and in column C, it puts the translated text. All right. So if you see, this is a pretty neat piece of bot that we have. It is plug and play wherever you want to detect a language, get a word count, get you know translate the languages, and get the character count of an input string. So all of that can be done with this bot. All you got to do is request an API from the link that is in the description for IBM Watson Translator, and plug it into this code, and you're ready to go. Well, thank you very much for spending your time here, and you have a great day.